Okay, here you have the master bathroom, and it just is pretty bland, the silver on the glass. Now it's all finished there, 24 by 48 polished porcelain on there. Here's the backyard. What we did with this is we went ahead and we put in a swimming pool, and we had a lot of concrete poured and some artificial turf and some trees and lights and stuff. Whoa, what's that? Okay, there we have the living room and the fireplace, and we wanted to get rid of those gold walls, and we went ahead and we pretty much redid everything there, including the lighting and what have you. Here is the front of the house and the corridor there, and we pretty much got rid of all the rock plants and everything else, except for those palm trees we left. Here you have the front of the house that had a lot of bushy trees, and we went ahead and redid that as well. You have a lot of grass, and we put in some date palms. Here's the garage that needed a lot of work. The concrete was stained, so we went ahead and put in the epoxy flooring, and my brother Tim put in the cabinets. He built them himself. Whoa. Okay, here we have the side of the house. On the left side of the back of the house, it just looked boring. We got the dog kennel in there and some storage, and we just kind of cleaned it up a little bit there. Here you have the master bedroom, and it's just kind of bland, dark. Now it's all opened up and it's cleaned up. Basically, we got everything working. Here you have the master bath sink, and it just was kind of boring, so we brought it back to be modern there and finished that. Here you have the backyard, just finally finished, and here's our contractors that made it happen. And don't forget the one on the far left there, hard worker there. Thanks for tuning in, and please subscribe, hit the like button, and share it out to your friends. Ring that bell.